How to fix VPN connection problem, Super VPN. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can fix your VPN connection problem. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Play Store first, and at the top search bar type in Super VPN. Make sure that you have updated your Super VPN app. Now let's head over to our settings application and scroll below to apps. Here search for Super VPN. As you do so, tap onto it, and under usage, tap onto storage. Here clear the cache if you have any. Now go back. Under your settings homepage, tap at the top search bar and type in VPN. As you do so, you will see Connections VPN. Tap onto it, then tap on VPN. Then if you have any available VPN in your device, make sure to toggle it on. Then tap on Private DNS. Then make sure it's on Automatic, which is recommended as well. Then tap on to Save. Once you do all that, restart your device and that shall fix your problem. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then make sure to like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon in our next upload.